you go. What are you trying to say? Yeah? How much? Yeah? Really? I had no idea. Really? Are you sure? Don't look over there. Look at me. Hi. What are you trying to say? Huh? Yeah? Really? Are you sure? Yeah? You sure about that? Really? Really? I had no idea. You don't say. He's cracking me up. You're just adorable, you know that? You're just the cutest little boy. Yeah? Yeah, really? 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 What are you trying to say? What are you trying to say? Don't get worried. What's up? What's up? What are you trying to say? Huh? Yeah? Yeah? Really? Really? How's my honey bunny? How's my sweetie pie? You're so excited. Why are you so excited? Can you say that again? Can you say that again? Huh? What are you trying to say? Yeah? Really? Really? Really?
Hi, Baba.
You trying to talk to Daddy?
Hi, Baba.
You trying to talk?
Really? You're serious about it?
No kidding.
So what's your name? Satan. Ethan.
Say Ethan.
Ethan.
Yeah?
No? Say Daddy. Say Abba.
It's real close.
Say Abba.
Hey, Abba.
Say Abba. Say Mama. Say Mama sucks. I'm just kidding. Say Abba. Mama. Romeo. Misha. Something.
Confusing.
Obama. Anything.
Hi. Hello. Hello. Is she getting tired? Are you getting tired? I guess not. I guess not. That's my sweetie pie.
Hi. Give 5. Give 5. Yeah. No.
Are you excited? You had a nice long nap. You should be excited. Hey. Hi.
From here it's look like you're pushing on his nose really hard.
I'm not.
I know you're not, but from here it's looking like...
Yeah? Really? 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 Yeah? Are you trying to talk? Can you say something? Yeah? Oh, you're getting irritable.
That's it.
What's the matter? You're getting irritable.
That's it.
You're getting irritable. You okay? What's wrong?
No, it's uncomfortable. What's
You
wrong?
might have gas. Okay, that's enough. Come on. Come on.